Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good morning I bid to all of you. Today I will give you a talk about a seminar that I have participated on 19th October, which is on Tuesday. The topic that we attend the seminar is about integrated grid planning model under uncertainty towards sustainable future grid, and the speaker for the seminar is technologist Dr. Sharul Nizam bin Muhammad Saad. Along the seminar was conducted, the speaker explained us about parameters that need to be considered for green planning, which is demand, supply, infrastructure, and economic and regulation. These parameters need to be considered in order to ensure that the grid planning could be followed or the criteria and can be used by the consumers without any problems. The speaker also discussed with us about challenges and issues with grid planning. The first challenges and issues is over or underinvest in grid planning. Responding to both short and long-term grid challenges requires integrated and coordinated investment and execution programs. However, identifying the right level of investment and where to allocate funds remain a problem that individual operators need to tackle as determined by evolving market conditions. Generally speaking, investment will fall into one of four key categories. Number one, expanding the grid capabilities to handle the increased need for supply and demand side flexibility. Number two, renewing and improving the grid overall quality and resilience. Number three, expanding operators' abilities to respond to down markets need by leveraging the extension of the system. And lastly, upscaling operators' capabilities and teams, although this may be outside the scope of major capital investment plan. Next, the issues that involve in grid planning was too many uncertainties. Uncertainty in energy system is now a problem, particularly in modern renewable energy systems, as it is difficult to precisely describe present or future states of parameters in power system due to numerous uncertainties that might expose the system to problems. This is why the recognizing uncertainty is not an easy process or problem to solve. Different methodologies are now available to model these uncertainties. Each has its own set of advantages and disadvantages. As a result, at both of the planning and operational stages, substantial attention should be made to controlling uncertainty in energy systems and limiting possible hazards. Lastly, the issues and challenges in grid planning is rapid technology progression. With the advent of technology, the demand for electrical energy has been skyrocketed, posing a problem not just for its production but also for its delivery. As a result, the increased need for higher dependability, efficiency, security, and environmental and energy sustainability issues is increasing the complexity of power systems. This characteristic of a power grid contribute in its smartness, which is now known as the smart grid idea. This is a concept in which all smart features are incorporated in order to make the electrical distribution system are more efficient, dependable, and long-lasting. In a nutshell, these issues were still discussed and need to be improved in order to fulfill the criteria and parameters needed, since nowadays we are striving into modern technology. If the criteria could be followed and the issue could be settled, we absolutely could produce electricity system and can be distributed into all of the consumers efficiently. So for me, thank you.